Hi, I'm here to talk to you about some new parts we've developed with Grande Forge out of France for some custom side mount baluster double hoop panels that we've created. We've come across a couple of requests for double hoop balusters, and most of you guys, most fabricators, were custom making parts to come up with this particular design. So we've created some off-the-shelf parts with Grande Forge to make it easier to come up with these designs in different variations. Here we've come up with a side mount bracket that has the double hoop U shape, all connected, and it's mounted with a lag screw to go into the side of the stringer. You could use the shorter version of a B724 baluster by mechanically fastening it on the bracket at the bottom of the hoop, and then an additional hoop at the top as well to come up with this design. We've also created another option to go directly onto the step instead of the side mount baluster option. And then we've created a more ornate version of this side mount baluster option, as you can see here. And here you'll see what it'll look like assembled together, top and bottom. All mechanically fastened, easy to put it together. We do have a second SUP6 side mount baluster that would go with this particular design to come up with this. These parts are all now available for purchase at AIDI.